Hello and good day, investors, traders all over the world. I have an information for you, like I said, that will affect your finance, your business, whatever it is you're doing, and wherever you are in the world. All right. Now, I have good news and I have bad news. But I'll start with the bad news. The bad news is this. Now, um, if you haven't watched the video, all right, I actually predicted the collapsing of gold. It's already happening. When I say gold, I'm talking of gold against the United States dollar. Look, real estate, gold, most of the things in the world are sold in United States dollars. And let me tell you the secret why. You see, I'm a trader. I trade commodity, crypto, stock, forex, everything I trade. The stock market, crypto market, forex market, I trade everything. And because I trade everything, I see trading opportunities every day, every time. But I don't trade every day. I'm not a day trader, actually. But gold is collapsing. I spoke about it and it is happening. I recently checked crude oil. I haven't talked about crude oil yet, but I just checked crude oil chart against the United States dollar, and crude oil is also collapsing. Now, how will this affect you? How is this even your business? You see, when gold is collapsing, crude oil is collapsing. For crypto, we have Bitcoin and Ethereum. These two cryptos against the United States dollar are ranging. And with what I'm seeing, if they should collapse beneath um a certain level, I haven't checked yet, but if you should collapse beneath that level, for those of you who have Bitcoin, who are bragging, I have crypto, Bitcoin Lord, and all those things, let me tell you, your Bitcoin will lose value strongly. It will lose value. But let's just hope that doesn't happen. But with what I'm saying, gold is collapsing against the United States dollar. The United States dollar is increasing in value rapidly. Gold is collapsing against the United States dollar. Crude oil, I just checked, is collapsing against the United States dollar. Now, how will this affect you? Most countries in the world makes their money from crude oil and gold. Believe me, like um, big countries in the world, all right? A lot of countries, when you hear that this country is wealthy, it is neither that country has gold or crude oil. Now, when these two main commodities or stock or metal are losing value, all right, what happens? Now, people start selling their gold for the currency that is currently increasing in value, which is they are selling their gold for the United States dollars. That is why gold is actually dropping in price. And how will this affect us? You see, when these big countries, big brains in the countries, big banks, all right, the government who makes money out of this crude oil and gold, when they say that this thing they are making money from is losing value, there is what we call budgets. Every country has budgets. Now, when we make money out of gold, of course, I won't use my money to fit your budget as a government. So, um, when what we are using to make money is losing value, what do you think will happen next to that country? There will be an automatic increase in petrol, gas, and taxes. Now, when these three things increases, it affects us really bad because now when petrol increase, for instance, transportation increase, and once transportation increase, every other thing follows because you can't stay in your house. You must move out to make money. All right, you must go out of your house. Now, when transportation increase, it makes those people who are moving goods from one place or the other like that, they start paying more. They start paying more to move their products. You too that have your personal car, your private car, you start paying more for fuel. You won't understand why usually I have to buy this amount of fuel and it takes me a long distance, but now I buy the same amount and it's not even taking me anywhere and it's finished. This is the reason they will automatically increase the price of petrol and gas. Now, when tax increase also for those of you who are those people who are importers, exporters, blah blah blah, like that, when the taxes increase, it makes them to pay more to import their goods. It makes them to pay more to export their goods. So now they will be forced to increase the price of the whatever products they are selling. So we'll have increase in petrol, increase in gas, increase in um, taxes. Now, when we have increase in transportation, for those small companies, all right, those small businesses in town that have workers who are working for them, Your workers, some of your workers are coming from far distance, they have to pay for transports to get there. There will be what we call increase in salary. All right, there will be some demands for increase in salary, and when these things start coming up, you will be forced, for those companies who are not big yet, and the big ones too, it might even happen to them, because you will be forced now to sack some of the workers, because you have to pay them definitely. All right, so when you cannot meet up to that payment, you'll be forced to sack some of them. So this is really sad. All right, I said this before, but a lot of people didn't take it serious. It's already happening. It has started already. I just looked at the crude oil chart against the United States dollar, and crude oil is actually collapsing. Ghana, gold and cocoa. Most of you know cocoa is not really that much. Gold is the main source of Ghana's income. Nigeria, crude oil is our main source of income. And when these two things are losing value, bro, it affects high income earners, billionaires in the country. It affects their net worths really strongly. All right, it affects them. And you and I know government will not like to lose, so government will increase all these things. I said they will increase because they want to meet up with the promises they've actually made to you. This is one thing most of you don't know. When somebody come out and make you heaven and earth promise, and you're expecting them to fulfill, when their commodities, when where they are making their money from is collapsing, they may not be able to meet up to those promises, so they'll be forced to increase tax on you, and gas on you, petrol on you, so they can meet up, because they won't use their own personal private money to do these things for you. So they will increase this stuff so that they can actually meet up with the promises they made to you. I know this is sounding a little bit convincing. You'll be like, what does this guy know? He's never in any news, not in any government house. Look, I'm a trader, all right, 100% technical trader. I used to copying trade before, following signals, but I didn't get this knowledge from there. Even all those things, I feel like they are all waste. I'm not saying they are not useful, because a lot of people are making money out of them, but this is not what I wanted to do. I wanted to understand what is really happening in the market, and that was what got me to this level. By using my rule I call asking the right question. Recently, crypto, the main crypto I mentioned, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum, these two are ranging. They are ranging now. They are confused, because once gold is going high in value, there's a high possibility that this main crypto and all these things, they'll be losing value, because people will be selling their crypto now for United States dollar, because United States dollar is actually gaining value. Most of you are really into this exchange market. You know what I'm saying? United States dollar is going up in value rapidly. All right, so when all these things are happening, this is the cost. I already told you what the cost is. Now, what is the good news for you? I'm not fully set, all right, to accept investors into my trading, but I can still put you in line if you want to save yourself from this inflation. I'm not expecting you to believe me. No, I'm not doing that. I want you to bear it in mind, so when it start happening, you can easily contact me and say, bro, you said it is happening. Now, how can we save our finance? Because this will affect every single person in 80% of countries in the world. All right, and this is going a long run. This will happen for a very for I don't know, like till next year. All right, let me just put it that way. Till next year, we'll be facing this crisis till next year. And from the look of things, if we don't take time, we will get to next year and things will still be how it will maintain that level. All right, so well, I'm not saying this to fear you, put fear in your heart, or to scare you, or to make you run away from your country. No, 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 I'm saying this because I want to save your finance. All right, I want to save your finance. If you want me to help you, trust me, I have it. If I can see the problem, I have a solution. All right, so just contact me directly, and I will tell you what we can do, how we can do it, where to start and where to stop. All right, I have every tools to help you, but I still need some things to stand. So just contact me. Don't worry, I still got your back. We'll make things happen. I love you guys so much, and that's why I'm always coming out here to put out this information for you. I talked about the collapse of gold. Many people didn't believe me, but I guess you believe me now, because you can see it's actually happening. So when I tell you anything, please don't doubt me. Put it in your heart and watch. When it start happening, run back to me. I have a solution. Love you guys so much. Stay well, stay safe, remain blessed, and I will see you next time. Peace.